Alright, we're cleaning a carpet again. This is a mobile home. Now we did this one about 3 months ago. And I guess the resident that moved in moved out, so they're going to have a re-clean. It looks like they got a little bit dirty here where a couch was sitting, here in the living room. And last time we were here there were some red stains. We took a red stain out that was right in this area here, and it did not come back, so that's good. And the carpet's not looking too bad. It's just cleaned 3 months ago, so he's putting down our pre-spray real quick, and then we're going to clean this, so stay tuned. Alright, we're starting out. Background noise, someone's vacuuming some other rooms that we're going to do, so. Oh, phone's ringing. I'm going to pause for a second. Alright, we're back. Alright. Haven't really said too much going on. All we do is put down a pre-spray, and what that does is that breaks down the chemical bond of the stain to the carpet fiber, and then it holds it in suspension. And then we come along with an absorbent bonnet, and we absorb all of our pre-spray, and we absorb all the suspended soils into the bonnet. So when we're done, the bonnets are really filthy. When we wash them out, we could probably do this whole, this is like a 5-bedroom trailer, we could probably do the whole thing on one bonnet, no problem. Then we clean the bonnets out and all the dirt comes out, and they're usually black inside. And we hand clean them, we don't put them in machines just to keep them from being damaged. So it can take about 20 minutes to wash one out all the way. But during the job, if it looks like it's not picking up really good, sometimes we'll clean it out of the job. But they hold a whole lot of dirt. So since this is low moisture, we may use a couple of gallons to do a whole house, small house, instead of using, maybe 30, 40 gallons like you would see with the traditional method. But all the water is basically being absorbed into the bonnet. So when we get done, the carpet's only slightly damp and they dry in an hour or so.
What we also try to do when we put our spray down, we try to get the spray down wet enough, not too wet, but wet enough where the dirt that's in the carpet will start floating. What you want is you want the dirt to float off the carpet fiber and be loosened up. And then whenever you, when you go over it with the bonnet, since the dirt's loose and floating, it just comes right out of the carpet fiber right into your bonnet. So you want to get it wet enough that you float the dirt off the carpet fiber, if that makes sense.
Now as the carpet's dry, they'll turn uniform again. Right now, this is the darkest spot, so we pre-sprayed this area here. We pre-sprayed it heavier, so it's going to look a little bit darker at first because we didn't have to put as much pre-spray into the rest of the carpet. And on mobile homes and some other types of surfaces, you don't want to put a lot of water down like with the traditional method, because if the water seeps down, and it usually does, if it gets below the back end of the carpet, gets to the subfloors, it can cause damage to the subfloors. It can rot them out. You may have to replace the subfloor at some point instead of just replacing the carpet. So low moisture cleaning works really good on properties where you may have a concern about getting water down to the main floor. Also, as those overwetted carpets dry, they're going to pull up debris and dirt and things from underneath the carpet, because there's always dirt that makes its way through the backing of the carpet. That's called wicking, because that stuff's drawn up to the surface as the carpet dries and it pulls dirt up with it. So sometimes you notice after the carpet is fully dry, some stains appear. And there may be stains you didn't have before the carpets were cleaned, and that's why, because it's wicked up dirt from
underneath.
This is
the main area of darkness, so let me run over it one more quick time. This carpet's real worn out, so getting it clean is pretty hard. But it'll be clean enough for a resident, for another person to move in.
And these are pretty old carpets. I remember the last time we cleaned them, they thought about just replacing them.
They're real old carpets.
Yeah, so they're going to clean. So there's a lot of wear and tear. When you're cleaning carpets, you can't really fix. Well, see, there's a big hole right there. When you're cleaning carpets, you're cleaning the dirt out of the carpets, but you can't fix damage to the fibers. So a lot of times carpets look a little bit.
I'm going to make sure there's any ammonia in the spray.
Okay. Let's see, we got a stain back here. I think last time we did this, it didn't come out. Unless it's a new one.
We'll see.
Yeah, I think that was ink. Something. So he's putting down a spotter, and then we're going back to the regular pre-spray. I made videos some more here and there, but you get the basic idea here what we're doing. And I apologize also, some of this carpet is so worn out that it doesn't look that good after cleaning, but I like this area here going into the kitchen. It's all matted down, and it's just so many years of foot traffic that you can only do so much with it. Yeah, we can make them look clean. We could get them clean, make them look clean, but we can't make them look perfect because they're never going to be uniform if there's damage in the carpets. And when carpets start to wear out, you develop things like that you can't 100% fix. Anyway, I'll either end the video here or add a little bit more on, so just, if it keeps going, then you can watch that, otherwise this will be the end of it. Alright, we're just showing a little in this room. That dark stain, he's on top of it right now. It looks like it did come out, so. It looked like it was ink, but it's out.
Most of it's out.
Now some of this stuff, let me squeeze behind you here. Now some of these stains, and all carpet cleaners have this happen to them, some of these stains, they will come back like the next day when it's fully dry. The stain reappears because they're not 100% removable.
No, we don't have that issue in all truthfulness.
Yeah, usually when the carpet's dry, it's done. But some red stains are notorious for maybe coming back a little bit on you.
They can be if you don't get them out right.
Yeah.
The first time.
Generally, we can get them out 100%, but sometimes a thing will come back. But I think that one's going to stay dark. It's going to stay lightened up quite a bit. So I think we're waiting for the next room to be vacuumed. So we'll show a little more if we see anything worth making a video with. I'll show a little more. So stay tuned. Let's show a little more cleaning here. I think the stain there, the carpets had stains in. We've already shown everything pretty much. This is real thin, similar to a glue down. I don't think this has been glued down, but it's a glue down type of carpet. It's a commercial type of a carpet, Berber.
Someone sprayed a lot of money back there and it wasn't us.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's strong.
I'm going to get out of here. So
I don't want to open. Let's see if I don't want to open the windows.
Just we'll get out of here soon. I'll be fast. That's a bathroom.
You can get the threshold real quick.
Sure.
Alright, while he's doing this, I'm going to walk down the hall here and see how this lasts. I think we got one more room. Let's see. It's not anything to show a video of. Okay. He's still back there. I'll go up here and try to show. Okay, that one stain, you can kind of see a dark spot there, but it's wet because he sprayed a lot of pre-spray there. And this carpet up here, it's looking about as good as it's going to look, being as old and worn as it is. So it looks pretty decent. But that's basically all for this video. You see we've got a long hallway down there. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. Until next time, thanks for watching.